Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your CoinMetro account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search CoinMetro login. Then go to login screen. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your email address. Then enter your password. Then click to login. Then you should be able to access your CoinMetro account. To make login easier, you can click Stay Sign In for a week. But I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking Forgot Password. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.